Now, it is day 2 of the CBI probe in Sushant Singh Rajput case. The central probe team, which is at Sushant's Bandra residence at this point, came in just a short while back, along with the forensics team, and they are in fact inside Sushant's residence to recreate the entire crime scene. Along with the CBI team, we also saw Sushant's flatmate Siddharth Pitani and also the house help Neeraj, who also accompanied the CBI and who are all inside this Sushant Singh's residence in Bandra. Let me bring in my colleague Neha Kulkarni, who's been tracking all the developments there coming in since morning. Neha, give us a sense of what is happening right now. Just a short while back, we had seen the entire team of the CBI there, along with Siddharth Pitani and Neeraj and the forensics team, all inside Sushant's residence. Tell us what you're picking up right now.
Absolutely. Almost some time back, the entire team, which we have been talking about since the morning, which includes the CBI team, the team of forensic officials, and also along with Neeraj and Pitani have entered inside our residence. We understand that it's almost been an hour since they have been there. The thing that they're doing is obviously the recreation of the crime scene, wherein with the evidence that they have collected till now, they will be trying to repicture what exactly happened on that night or on that morning, and they will be also talking to the respective officials about it. Main importantly, we understand that Neeraj and Pitani is there along with them. These two people have been at the house when the late actor allegedly committed suicide, so definitely it will aid in the recreation of the process. Let me just quickly show you once more what's happening here. This is the Mont Blanc residence and the where the actor resided, and the kind of media crowd and the kind of atmosphere that here is to understand how for how long the CBI would be there, for how long the CBI would be conducting the investigation, and for how long they'll be talking to the respective people who have been inside the house. Definitely will be important. Remember, Apurva, the forensic team is also along with them, so to gather the evidence, to be able to collect the required material from the room is also one of the important key things that will happen when the CBI team is inside, which is obviously something which is to be noted here, because considering it's after almost 2 months of the incident has happened that the CBI team is inside, it would be noteworthy to see what is it that they find exactly and how much of evidence collection would be there. But as of now, on the second day here in Mumbai, the CBI team has reached the residence of the late actor.
All right, Neha, request you to stay with us at this point. More updates that is coming in the entire case. The CBI is questioning Sushant's flatmate, Siddharth Pitani. The CBI's line of questioning is likely to be on what happened on June 13th and 14th. Siddharth will also be questioned on his link with Sushant and Riya as per sources from the CBI. Let me once again go back to my colleague Neha Kulkarni getting us all of those updates there. Neha, since morning we have seen Siddharth Pitani, who was being questioned by the CBI at the DRDO guest house. Now he's been brought in to recreate the entire crime scene. According to the sources that you're picking up, what have been the kind of questioning, the line of questioning that the CBI is going to particularly adopt for Siddharth Pitani?
Absolutely. So what we showed you right now, Apurva, that was a flip that we took inside to show his building. And as you can see, a car has just entered in. Since the afternoon that the CBI team has been here, there's been a lot of movement of important officials, of people from the CBI team. Mumbai police also made a patrolling here before, where the vans came in. They cordoned off the area for the CBI to conduct the investigation. Now another van has entered in. So it's been a day of events as far as the CBI team's probe is concerned. At the residence of the late actor. Remember, Pitani and, as we mentioned earlier, Siddharth Pitani, the then creative manager of Rajput, and along with that, Neeraj Singh are inside. So questioning them will also be important here. Trying to get an ideal estimate of what exactly happened on that night will be done here by the CBI team at the Bandra residence of the actor.
All right, Neha, many thanks for joining us and bringing us all those updates there from outside Sushant's house in Mumbai. Meanwhile, sources in the Enforcement Directorate have now told the Times Network that ED has now sent request to the Financial Intelligence Unit of India to get the details of the financial transactions of Riya and her brother Shouvik Chakravarti during their 25-day Europe tour. Now, the FIU will be seeking details from the Egmont group of countries regarding expenses and financial transactions done by the duo during their foreign visit.